We're at question 31, and it says, during osmosis, water migrates through a semi-permeable barrier. The osmosis referred to in the passage occurs through which of the following structures? Now, a good number of students who remember their science classes and the cell would be able to answer this one without even looking at the passage. But it's one of those questions where even if you look at the passage, the answer isn't there. It's an outside knowledge question. There's only going to be maybe 3, maybe 4 at the very most of these outside knowledge where they are testing your knowledge of very basic science. But it says, osmosis in the passage. So I'm just going to show you that it's not there. If we go to the passage here, it says tomato plants grow poorly in high salt environments. This effect is caused by 2 processes: a net movement of H2O, which is water, and that matches water here, between the cytoplasm of the plant cells and the environment via osmosis. And even if you read the rest of the passage, there's no other mention of osmosis. So it's not talking about it says it's cytoplasm. So you might look back at your answer choices and see that cytoplasm isn't there and keep on reading and think it must be somewhere, and it isn't. It's an outside knowledge question. And osmosis occurs between the plant cells, right? And the cells have a membrane, and it's a semi-permeable, means it lets in and out some water, membrane, and it really is a question you'd either know or you wouldn't. And yeah, there's just no way around that. I mean, I guess hopefully if you were kind of lost and had to guess, you might think, cell membrane might be the most obvious one. Because at least it mentions cells in when it's talking about osmosis. So you might think, hey, I'll just match that. That's the best bet I have. It says cell and there's cell membrane. But that's either one you know or you don't. But the answer is C, it's cell membrane.